In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off metronome in Cakewalk. Now, as you can hear, if I click on over here on a random track and I just start playing it, the playback, you can hear the metronome in the playback. And of course, if you actually are trying to record sometimes when you're recording, it's going to also play the metronome in the back. So if you want to turn this off, super simple. You just want to click on this button up top to open the metronome settings. And then from here, as you can see, it says playback and recording, and you have these check marks. So to turn this off, you want to select which type of metronome you want to turn off. So this one is for the playback metronome, and this one is for recording. I'm actually going to go and just disable both of these, and don't forget to click on the apply button. And there we go, you can then close it, and if I now play this for you, you'll hear that there's no longer going to be a metronome. There we go, as you can hear, it's pure silence. So that's how to turn it off. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.